Okay,
The whole wall, look at it.
we are now witnessing a wall of, hopefully my battery lasts. I don't know what's going on here. This is crazy.
Ah, fuck, dude. That's sand. Fucking sand. Either that or something blew up in the parking lot.
Yeah, but look at it, it's getting sucked up there.
I know.
But these down, we got a downdraft. This is a fucking tornado shit right here, man. Because this is all a downdraft. Look at this shit.
Oh, yeah, look at it over there, dude.
Well, we got a little tornado over here.
Look where that tower is. There's one over there. There's shit here.
Wow. I don't know, hopefully this camera's doing this all right.